Are you ready to dive into real estate? This exciting field offers vast opportunities. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, understanding the basics is key. First, know your market. Research local areas and trends. Understanding property values helps you make informed decisions. Next, clarify your goals. Are you looking for a home or an investment property? Knowing your objectives guides your choices. Then, secure financing. Consider your budget and explore mortgage options. A pre-approval gives you a competitive edge. Once financing is in place, start viewing properties. Create a checklist of must-have features. This keeps your search focused and efficient. Don't forget about negotiations. Strong negotiation skills can save you money. Be prepared to make offers and counter-offers. Lastly, consider working with a realtor. A knowledgeable agent can guide you through the process. They have access to listings and market insights. In summary, know your market, clarify goals, secure financing, and negotiate well. Engage with professionals to enhance your success. Ready to explore the world of real estate? Click below to subscribe for more expert tips.